has accepted already, and Hispora also has accepted.
Transaction when he says you are not responding, we get transition.
I say not to respond.
Even if it happens, I'm scared. If it happens, I'm really scared. Don't worry, I'm scared.
It is done. Everywhere is done by the association. We are not asking something out of the world.
I have has been met. IVR Prime has in principle accepted to conduct a meeting of owners and hand over the maintenance to the democratically elected executive committee of
When I asked questions,
Yes. It is settled matter.
So in that case, hold on. Can I have a question? Does IVRCL recognize Hispora?
what do you mean by
No. Hold on. I'm a new resident. I moved here 2 weeks
as an
ago.
individual?
No, I want to know very
Do
clear
not
that
subscribe to
I've heard the arguments on that side.
Absolutely, I do
I've
not
heard the arguments on this
Hispora
side.
accepted it now.
No, hold on. I want to ask No, hold on a second.
Simply
Sir,
Who is going to conduct that election?
no, hold on.
You have an opinion of saying not accepting. At the same time, you are not taking your ownership of conducting this election. Is it fair?
No, hold on.
Is it fair?
No, I said I'll come back to you.
Is this the way
You are asking time from me right now.
See, there is a plan that you are going to propose.
No.
What is the date?
Excuse me.
Date for a plan.
No, hold on.
Fair enough. When
Hold
you
on,
can get back.
please.
Bharat.
Let him complete.
Bharat, can you please let him complete? Please let him complete.
Hey, this person is speaking for the
Hold
first time. Let him finish.
Please, first of all, does IVRCL recognize Hispora? No. It does not? No. Okay. I've just moved here 2 weeks ago. I think rather than turning back the clock, there are obviously a lot of residents who are members of Hispora. So I suggest that Hispora and IVRCL sit. Let IVRCL and Hispora members become part of Hispora or whatever it's called. And let there be a democratic election. We live in the biggest democracy in the world. We can't democratically decide.
Buddy, I also agree with you. All I'm asking the gentleman is, who is going to organize that quorum? Who is going to do that?
Well, I think we should have a representative from Hispora. No, hold on.
He explained it very clearly. As per the act, he said.
I'm asking when.
No, hold on.
Okay, that they have to answer. Let they do it.
I'm saying
That's all we are asking for so long.
Bharat, can I have
No issue here. Take a month, no issue, as long as it is happening.
No, why a month?
No.
Coming to meetings. I've already come 3 times. No, sorry, hold on.
Sir, I agree with the question. Tomorrow, if I had an election body, does IVRCL is going to be happy with it?
It's not a question of whether being happy or not. No, the results might go against you.
Yes, that is
No,
fine.
the
that's
results
fine.
might go against them.
Yes, that is
So
fine.
let there be an election. Let all decisions be democratically.
I'm all saying is, who is the governing body? Like for every
So
election, there has to
absolutely,
be.
you obviously have a spokesman. They obviously have a spokesman. Get together and decide.
We are okay with that, but they are not saying they are okay with that.
They were mandatory from day one.
When they were mandatory.
Well, whether you decide to call it Hispora or whatever, they should tell us a name.
Why were you not raising all these issues?
We have already raised.
Every communication that was sent to you for 3 years.
3 years we have sent the
3 years we have been sending you letters. You have not bothered to respond to it. And now you're saying why you're not raising. You had losses for 2 years. You didn't tell us then. You're telling us now. You said, just now you came and said for 2 years we've been having all these losses. You didn't come up, that gentleman said, why didn't you tell us then? Why are you telling us now for all your past things? We have been raising these issues so many times. We had a meeting with you, with IVR Prime members, with Mr. Mahadevan moderating last February in 2008. And that was a culmination of so many issues. Did we go any forward from there? We asked you so many questions. Show us your plans. Who are accountable? What is your LLA, SLA? What is the agreement between IVR and Indus? what standards you have to set for us for maintenance to be done. We don't even know what standards that guy has agreed to. And we ask for all these things. Where are the replies? Where are the replies? And you keep telling us, why did you ask us? Why did you ask us?
It's not aware of its responsibilities. It is not taking any actions. You are right. If they could have done it, we would have supported them. It's not about against IVR or with IVR. Now that we have made some progress in this meeting, any responsibility so far to conduct a meeting of the owners, we need to accept, and then maybe we can ask them to continue the old maintenance charges till the new governing body decides what. Is that okay?
I want to come back to one point again. You hold on, guys, please. And this is for Mr. Hold on, guys. Let me talk. This is the first time I'm talking here. Okay. You have agreed. And please tell me yes or no, that you want to hold an election. Yes or no? Yes. Can you sign that? No, I don't want a signature. There are too many witnesses here. I'm sorry. He said yes? What for?
Yes, no.
You have agreed.
Please repeat your question.
You have agreed to basically hold an election out here for an organization who will take responsibility of the maintenance of this organization going forward effective XYZ date.
I said I am ready to transfer the maintenance to a legally elected society.
Absolutely perfect.
Just a minute.
I want to continue further. I want to continue further. Now the next step is when you said you need to go back to your management.
Yes.
I totally agree. What is the time frame we as residents expect you to come back to us?
Yeah, I'll come back to you.
When?
No, right now I cannot say. But right now I cannot say.
Okay, is there any...
Each and everything I should respond.
Okay, how often?
We are not going to wait here for 10 years.
Okay, let me put it back to you this way. Let me flip it around. If we do not hear from...
I want to make one more question. See, when can you give me your list
Oh, no.
of your members?
Why?
I am not in this position.
Circuit Inspector, please come, sir. He is only putting on the video recording. This is very bad. Sir, these are the what is this?
Already cameras are there now. Why you are taking this one? Already cameras are there.
Putting up. Like this.
Can I assume? How often can we communicate to you? So that you will tell us when your management will reply back. Can we get back to you once a week?
See, give me some time, I'll come back to you.
You take as much time as you want.
We will conduct a meeting. At that point of time, whatever your question
Absolutely
is
right.
there,
Can we
will
absolutely
answer all these things.
I agree.
But this was not the agenda.
I agree.
This was not the agenda.
I am talking about. Can we expect? Hey guys, hold on. Let me ask a question here.
Anybody who is answering this is bound to answer questions from each and every member. So if I am the leader of this community, I am supposed to answer each and every question. So don't feel bad about it.
Yeah, and
Ask questions. Please, when I clearly clarified that we are ready to hand over the maintenance to a legally.
Your point is well accepted.
So
Now the point is,
then
can I ask a question?
I said I'll come back to you for that. This is the point.
Can I ask you another question?
The second question is whether you are coming back in a
How many
week or
questions
2
do you
weeks, 5 weeks. You are representing IVR Prime. You are supposed to answer. You are supposed to answer the question.
You are also supposed to respond equally.
Tell me.
What do you want?
What do you want? You are the one who is supposed to hold the legal elections. You are the one who is supposed to hold the elections. Let you ask the question. You do that. Get an answer on the list. Selected community asked him. What is the question? He doesn't know.
And are you giving me the list?
why I have to give the list to you?